Does double jeopardy apply in civil court? Have you ever wondered what happens if someone is found not guilty in a criminal trial? Can they still face consequences in a civil court for the same actions? This is where the concept of double jeopardy comes into play. Double jeopardy is a legal principle that protects individuals from being tried twice for the same crime in criminal court. This protection is part of the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution and applies to both state and federal courts. In criminal cases, double jeopardy means that once a person has been acquitted or convicted, they cannot be tried again for that same crime. The protection kicks in at different points depending on the type of trial. For jury trials, it starts when the jurors are sworn in. In bench trials, it begins when the first witness takes the stand. Now, let's switch gears and talk about civil cases. Civil cases are different from criminal cases. They usually involve disputes between individuals or organizations and often seek compensation or other forms of relief. Unlike criminal cases, which focus on guilt and punishment, civil cases aim to resolve disagreements and provide remedies. So, does double jeopardy apply in civil court? The answer is no. Double jeopardy does not apply in civil court because civil proceedings do not carry the same risks as criminal trials. This means that a person can be acquitted in a criminal court but still face a civil lawsuit related to the same incident. For example, imagine a character in a crime film who is found not guilty of a crime. That character could still be sued in civil court for damages resulting from the same incident. This is entirely legal because the civil case does not involve the same jeopardy as the criminal case. Additionally, the burden of proof in civil cases is lower than in criminal cases. In civil court, the standard is often a preponderance of the evidence, which means it is more likely than not that the claim is true. In contrast, criminal cases requiring proof beyond a reasonable doubt. This distinction allows for different outcomes in criminal and civil proceedings based on the same facts. It also creates dramatic tension in crime films, where characters navigate the complexities of the legal system. They may find themselves facing both criminal charges and civil lawsuits, illustrating how the legal system can work in different ways. In summary, double jeopardy protects individuals from being tried twice for the same crime in criminal court, but it does not apply in civil court. This means that a person can face both criminal and civil actions for the same behavior, leading to unique scenarios in both real life and crime films.